Hey guys, happy Earth Day week. I'm Sharon, this is Cecelie here at Coal Creek, and we're here to talk to you about Earth Day and what would we want to do on Earth Day and what can we do for Earth Day.
Or the better question is, what can you do for Earth Day? We want you to be a part in making your little corner of the world a more sustainable, eco-friendly place. So how can you do that?
I don't know, why don't we plant a tree?
We can plant a tree.
Plant a shrub?
But just any tree or shrub? I know, I want a special one that came across the seas and it's going to be planted here. How about that?
No.
Oh, why
You know
not?
what we want to plant? We want to plant a native.
Native.
We have a ton of native plants and trees here. And you might ask, why would we want to plant a native?
Great question, Sharon. Let me tell you something. Do you want to save a little money? Do you want to save a little earth? Then listen to what natives can do for you. You put them in the right place, sun or shade. The right place, wet or dry. You get them going, and then guess what? They can do their own thing. Not only do you save water, less irrigation, you save because you don't have to put as much pesticides on them because they're like tried and true. They can fight for themselves. So there's no like runoff, pollution in our water supplies. You save water. What else? What about the animals?
I mean, you're giving the animals their habitat. You're making sure that they have their habitat, right?
Right?
We're
Pollinators.
keeping them safe. The pollinators are not going to get killed off from spraying stuff. And plus, they're on our native shrubs and trees, which is what we want.
Which increases biodiversity because it's a big old food chain. Everything leads to something else, and it starts with our pollinators. So let's give them what they want. I'm Sharon.
Yeah.
What do we have?
So I'm going to give you just a few examples real quick. This is a palm. It's a sable minor palm that grows here. It can go in shade or sun. We've got, I'm sure you've seen this is our state flower. This is Carolina jasmine. And this grows like crazy, easy to do. And then of course you've got native azaleas, and who doesn't love a native azalea?
And real quick, for all you Clemson fans, there aren't many azaleas that are orange, but we've got natives in orange and yellow. Warm color, shout out.
Okay, whatever. And we have pink, because we have been having people come in here, they love the pink native azalea, and we actually have a whole crop of those pink ones to sell you. Then we have some viburnum, and this is not just any viburnum, this is called an arrowwood viburnum, which is native to this area. It blooms, it's great for pollinators, and then in the fall it gives you berries, which are for birds. This is another viburnum right here that's great. Another plant here called sweet shrub, or calicanthus, and you can see it's got beautiful foliage, and if you look, it has almost a chocolate flower on it. Scented, smells wonderful. I mean, all of these plants would do wonderful in your yard, your garden. I'm sure we can find something to pick out for you to plant for Earth Day!